My name is Alina Bassoon. I'm doing the challenge because I think Doctors of the World are a great charity to support. And we got like an email from work and I thought I'd sign up for it. I just think it's an amazing charity and I've never really done a challenge like this before and I like cycling, so I thought might as well see if I could do it. I'm not worried about sore bottom, I've got my padded shorts, so I should be alright.
Excited about doing it, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while.
I'm one of the volunteer doctors at Project London, so I know at first hand the sort of work that Doctors of the World do and how incredibly important it is. So anything that one can do to support it, fantastic. I've done it a couple of times before, and it is enormous fun, and there is just nothing like the feeling when you arrive at the Arctic Tree on finish. It's like, yes, we did it. It's great fun, and you meet friends along the way.
We're really excited. It'll be good and it'll be fun, and there'll be some beautiful scenery en route, and we get to raise some fantastic amounts of money.
I just think that Doctors of the World is a great charity helping destitute people to get access to healthcare, and it's been helping me get fit in the last few months.
Mostly I'm looking forward to the big achievement and arriving in Paris.
I am looking forward to this challenge. Yes, I am very happy to bike for 3 days and arriving in Paris.
Brilliant fun, like great way to meet new people, really well organised, and it's a great course, so yeah, should definitely give it a go.